Kristen. I'm one of the veterinary assistants at Grady Veterinary Hospital. And Pip and I, this is Pip, he came to me from the SPCA, and we're going to tell you a little bit about some treats for your pets. We'll go ahead and start with cats first. There are many different flavors. This is Whiskerlickens. This is the Temptations. Both of them are crunchy treats, and they can help with tartar on your cat's teeth. These are the feline pill pockets. They're generally used for pills, and but they can also be used as treats as well. They're very small, and you can break them into pieces so it feels like they're getting more, but you don't want to give them too many. You can also go ahead and put some of these or some of their food into a toy and let them play with that. Another healthy choice is some catnip. If you want your cat to get exercise while he's getting a treat, you can use catnip. Okay, so now we're going to move on to dogs. Now we're going to move on to dogs. We have rawhides. Rawhides are they're good for them to play with, but you have to be very careful because if they chew off little pieces, they can choke on them. So you always want to monitor them just to make sure that they're not going to choke or get a piece stuck, okay? And then we have Kongs. We can put, let's see, you can put canned food, you can put their food, and you can freeze it as well if you don't want them to make as much of a mess. There's also pepperoni. They have many different flavors. This is the lean beef flavor. And they also have, well, we have pill pockets. Pill pockets are generally for pills for your pet, but they can also be used as treats. They like them. They taste good. Here we have some bacon strips. This is another popular one. This one is bacon and peanut butter flavors. They have a couple of choices. You don't want to give them too many because that can upset their stomach. But with these, they're pretty long, so you can break them into pieces. These are weight control biscuits. There's also a lot of different varieties and kinds. This helps with tartar control as well. And you can give them, you can break it into pieces, or you can go ahead and give them to them, after they go outside to go to the bathroom or what have you. These are CET chews. These help a lot with dental problems if your dog tends to get a lot of tartar, or if you just want to keep their teeth from getting tartar. These are a great choice. These you can give them to them, and they chew on them for a while, and it really rubs up against their teeth, and they're hard. So they tend to last a while. You can pick these up from PetSmart or your local veterinary office. Another couple healthier choices are carrots and green beans. You can give them, usually you can give them about a few a day. It depends on the size of your dog. You can get the baby carrots. The baby carrots work great. Or you can also get the green beans that you always want to make sure that they're salt-free, because a lot of salt can really hurt your pet. There's a lot you can do. You can incorporate toys, put treats in their toys, put some food in their toys, or you can put canned food, treats, pretty much anything in their toys, so that way they're getting exercise and they're having a great time getting their treats too. And Pip and I wish you happy snacking.